Today we're going to be comparing a $1,000 camera, a DSLR, versus an iPhone X to be exact. So I'm going to be using the kit lens on the DSLR just to make it a bit fair, and we're going to compare different things on the cameras. So let's get creative. Slow motion on the phone is 120 frames per second and even higher, but that's gonna take more of your memory. So the frames per second is how many images the device can capture within a period of time, right? The camera, the DSLR, which I'm on now, the DSLR captures at 60 and the iPhone captures at double, 120. 12. 12. Yeah, the iPhone captures at double. So therefore, the iPhone definitely hands down wins for slow motion. The slow motion is going to be more smooth, it's going to be slow, it's going to be fluid. To make most cinematic videos, you want slow motion. So to have that in your phone, hands down, the phone has won. I thought that the DSLR would have had better stabilization because of its weight in comparison to the iPhone, but from what I'm seeing, that's not the case. The iPhone seems to stabilize better handheld while walking. So this is from a light setting going into a dark setting. So another cool feature that I like to look for in cameras are time lapses, because sometimes you're doing big projects and you really just need something that can film the whole event in like a short period of time. So we're gonna try time lapses on the $1,000 DSLR now, and then we're gonna do a time lapse on my iPhone. Honestly want to say that I like the time-lapse on the phone better than the time-lapse on the DSLR. I don't know why, like the image quality looks better on the screen here. I don't know how it's gonna look after upload. We'll see how it looks after upload, but I honestly feel like I like the iPhone quality more than the DSLR. It feels like the time-lapse lasts a lot longer. I'm wondering if the phone captured more frames than the DSLR. I'm gonna compare the quality of photos between the DSLR and the iPhone. Again, I'm using the kit lens on my DSLR just to make it fair, because you can change the lens to change the quality of the photo. But for the purpose of this video, and for my creators who are on a budget and who are trying to come up, we're comparing the DSLR with a kit lens in comparison to my iPhone. Both seem to have really good image quality, but I feel like the DSLR is still better with quality and its ability to edit the raw footage, but the iPhone really does compete with the DSLR. For the photography with the DSLR out in public, it is an absolute pain. For accessibility and just ease of use, I would say the phone wins. So the phone's winning a lot of rounds, isn't it? For the zoom on the iPhone, I couldn't get the zoom to really work. Like, so this is the video and the in-camera audio for the DSLR. Just like the phone, the DSLR also has the capability of connecting an external mic. So I think both of them get points for audio. I'm not sure which one is going to be better. We're going to see it in post-op. So comment down below and tell me which audio sounds better to you. So this is the in-camera audio for the phone. You're actually able to connect like a lav mic or any form of mic to your iPhone. You're able to get a better quality of audio for your videos. If you have a really good lens, you're gonna be able to get amazing images with DSLR, and that's a that's a benefit of having a DSLR. You can change the way how your footage looks based on how much you're willing to invest into your lenses, right? But then for the camera on the phone, I feel like it's really good, like it's high quality, but you can't change the quality of the images. What you get based on the iPhone or based on the phone that you have, what you get with the images, what you get. So that's the only negative about using a phone camera. Like if you're really gonna go into like photography or anything of that nature where you really need clarity and sharpness and really define images, you're gonna be limited with a phone. I'm not saying it's impossible, because you have some really creative people who are able to really make amazing images with their phones. Like iPhone photography is a thing, but if you're looking to go like up there, you're gonna need a DSLR at some point. But you can use it. You can start with your phone. It's all in here. It's how you're able to edit the images. But I would say like using the kit lens on the DSLR versus the iPhone, like they're neck and neck. I think this video shows us that using a phone, it may take a bit more time and precision to make a video. Not so much photography, but to make a video. But it can be done. I hope this encourages you. Please guys, go out and create, enjoy yourselves. Thanks for watching, and save your coin.